Okay, here we are at North Valgalla this morning. We just have to duck in and out of the rain as we're working today. But what we're doing is we're redoing a gas run to this house and then deleting a lot of the sections underneath and redoing in PEX. This is the reason we had to replace the pipe today. All this rust in this other spot here. Yeah, this is what happens. It gets moisture on it. It just creates pinholes. So it's no good. So we've taken out all the old gal under the house and replaced it in PEX, gas PEX. So it's a lot more durable and it won't rust.